Hey friends, welcome to another unboxing. I'm checking out the X-Tiger rechargeable bicycle light set. This is the XD2001T. So I'll be putting this on my scooter and showing you the difference between, my scooter has like a little light on it, but we're gonna just show you the difference, what it looks like in the dark from the riding the scooter perspective and also the perspective of someone driving towards you or whatever. So it has here's this rear light right here. Has different modes, has just on, and it has like a flashing, and then just different features like that. There's 4 different ones. So just keep you more visible during the nighttime. It's a great idea. Here we have the mounts for our bicycle or scooter, and check that out. That's pretty sweet. It's got 8 OLEDs on the front there. Pretty sweet. IPX5 rating, so it's basically waterproof here. We have a backwards USB-C and USB-A charging port there. You can charge your phone with this. 10,000 mega amp hours in this battery, that's what it says, so that's a lot of usage there. Okay, we have a little readout here. It shows the how many lumens you're on, what the battery percentage is, and how long it's going to last at that. So at 500 lumens, it's going to be 2 hours and 33 minutes. Pretty bright, as you see behind me there. And we click it again, and there's 2,000 lumens. Pretty bright. It says battery's still 69%, and that's 45 minutes. So we have 100 lumens. That's going to be 18 hours going to last at that. And then 500, and then 2,000 is the brightest. Then you can double tap it, and it's going to give you like a strobe feature. It does like an SOS pattern too if you double tap it again. And then you can hold it down to turn it off. So that's pretty cool. Let's go mount this on our scooter. Basically, it has this thing right here where we can just unscrew this, and it's going to go right over the handlebar there, and we can put it on there. And then this slides, has a nice little rail slide on there, which slides right into place and then locks in with this little thing right there. So we can just slide it back onto there. That snaps into place. It's not going to fall off of there. You have to push this little tab in on the bottom to get it off of there. So I'm going to go show you what it looks at night with just the regular scooter light. When with me riding it, what my perspective is and what other people see too. So let's go check that out right now. Okay friends, so I just mounted this right here on the handlebar, just went around there, and that screws on nice and tight, and we have it very sturdy. And then I put my rear light right there on the back here, just wrapped it around here and plugged it, just pulls tight. This is nice and sturdy as well. So this one's super lightweight, so it doesn't take much to hold it on there. I was going to attach it here, but it was just a little bit not good enough there, so I just put it over here. This is going to be mounted sideways the other way as well. So let's take it outside and check it out. Okay friends, so here it is with the regular light on there. It's decent, you know, for a little scooter light. Not bad. So now we'll turn our flashlight on here. Okay, so there's just 500 lumens there. And if we crank it up one more, there's 2,000 lumens. So as you can see, this is way brighter now. I can see crazy better. Not even really any comparison here. So it mounts on there real good and just see really good too. So that's super bright, as you can see. All right, so I'll just switch on the backlight here too. So this would be your normal view from behind, just that one little light. I mean, you could see it, but not really. You know, doesn't really get your attention. There's that one if you're driving behind me. So that's brighter. And then I like that you can put on the strobes and stuff. You know, people are really going to notice you a little bit better if you have that going on the back there. So that's really cool and definitely a lot brighter on this. So I'm going to show you guys what it looks like just observing this from the front if you were watching me drive by or whatever. So let's check out the front here. Okay, I didn't realize how bright that is. That is, looks like a headlight coming at you, really. That is really bright. I'm probably about 40 feet away or so. And I'll just show you just a regular scooter light. And that's just the regular scooter light. So you can see the amount of light just from the front of just how much greater that you can just, it's gonna give you a lot more visibility at night. So really impressed with it. I like that I can charge my phone with it too. All right, so as we can see, just with the visibility and stuff, a nice safety feature. Easy to mount. You can mount it here. It's thick enough you could mount it on the handlebar if you wanted, or on probably on this as well. But really nice looking light. Definitely boosts your visibility and how much you can see a lot better. Super strong and durable looking. Easy to function, turning it on and off. Yeah, like I said, really bright. I like that you can charge your phone with it too. It has a lot of battery storage on there. So you take a nice little trip at night. You want to make sure that your visibility is really good. And this is going to help out a lot. So thanks so much for watching. Nice little product here from X Tiger, my friends. Hope you all have a great day, and I will see you all next time.